Right guys, we have officially got on the coaster now. We are just basically waiting to take off and that, and as you can see, I'm just on the back row of it, and this park is absolutely huge. Here we go. Here we go. This goes high actually. Holy fuck. They are not joking. Have a look at this, guys. I'll give you a PLV on the second lap. This goes absolutely fast. It goes really fast. I did not know for a small course to go this fast. There we go. Holy bugger! I did not expect this at all for a small roller coaster like this. Really not expect it. Well, this is actually good. But yeah, credit claimed. This is the final lap as well. That is good. Is it one more or is it big? No, we're going again. Definitely worth the money. Holy bugger. Here we go. Do you know what? Credit is where credit is due, and this ride was absolutely awesome. Definitely worth the visit. Visit of the cred. But yeah, there we go. Babylon mini coaster. Cred is a cred, and it's officially claimed for this year. First roller coaster of the year. But yeah, first roller coaster ride of the year, and it is absolutely being made. And it's a Babylon thing. Oh. That was one hell of a good ride. Really good ride. But yeah, the Babylon coaster literally officially done. Ride officially done. I want to move on to some other stuff and get some arcade games to do now. So back in a moment.